In this video, we are going to walk through the referrals. In the CPIMS Plus, we can configure the type of information that will be viewable to certain service providers depending on what service they provide. We also have pre-configured into the CPIMS Plus the interagency referral form. If you would like to use different types of forms for referrals, we request that you first do the mapping in the work plan under the Referrals tab. In rows 1 to 11, this is a description of what you need to do for this step, which I'm going to walk through now. What you will do in row 14 is fill out this table to indicate the types of forms that are currently available in your CPIMS Plus configuration, and then the types of forms that should be available to a specific service. In my example, in column C, is for FTR, we want to make sure that basic identity, protection concerns, child's wishes, and the care arrangements forms are the only forms that would be shared in a referral. You'll continue to do this in rows D, E, F, and G for any other services where they are not using the interagency referral form, but specific forms that should only be shared for referral purposes and service provision. Once this table is complete, you will then log into your demo environment and configure the referrals. In order to configure the referrals, what you will do is first go into the settings, and then you can go into the roles. Here, for example, maybe we've created a specific role for a service provider, or in this case for an FTR user, and we only want them to view the forms that we have here in the mapping. In order to do that, you will go into the role itself, like an FTR manager role. Select the Edit button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Fill out the appropriate information in the configured role, and scroll all the way down to the bottom of this form to be able to ensure that they only see the information as a need-to-know basis. At the bottom of this form, you will see the Forms Cases section. Here, we can select which forms this role has access to. They can either not see it at all by selecting the Hide button, they can only view the information in the Show button, or they can also view and edit the information in the Edit button. You will go through each of the roles that you have set up for these services and ensure that the forms are only selected based on the information that you want the service provider to see. Once complete, you will click Save.